Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to share with you how I created this 3-tier serving platter. Glamorous as it is very affordable because I used 98% Dollar Tree supplies. So if you would like to see how I created this beautiful ensemble, then continue to keep on watching. If you're new to the channel, I would like to ask you to go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified of all of the new wonderful creations that I will be uploading. Alright you guys, let's get started. Alright, let's get started with removing the mirror from this mirrored frame that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, you guys. I'm going to take the mirror and the backing out, and then we're going to paint it white because I did not want it black. And I'm using some white Valspar paint. So get it completely coated. Once you've let it dry, we're going to take this Mod Podge. Now you can find some smaller sizes at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to apply a thin coat of Mod Podge. And after we apply the Mod Podge, we're going to sprinkle it with this gold glitter that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to have some sparkles of gold on here. And so once we're done with that, we're going to go back in with the Mod Podge and apply one thin coat of Mod Podge on top of the glitter. This helps the glitter from falling out, and it also provides a nice little sheen. So next we're going to take some diamond ribbon wrap, which can also be found at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to design our frame by just applying 2 rows of the bling in the inside of the circle as well as the outside of the circle. And it should look like this when you're done. So next we're going to turn it over, and we're going to reapply our mirror and our backing to the frame, and we're going to secure it. Now we're going in with some clear acrylic gems, and I'm going to take just a slight handful and put them in a pile. I'm going to take these 2 tea light candle holders that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and they're alternating sizes. And I'm going to use the tallest one for the bottom layer. We're going to turn it upside down and apply it to the mirror just like this with some E6000 and some hot glue. However, I forgot to film that part. Now you're going to take the hot glue and the E6000 and apply a layer to the bottom of that candle holder and apply the second layer of the mirror. And next we're going to take the last tea light candle holder and do the same thing here. We want to glue it down right in the center. And once we're done, I just wanted to embellish the bottom of it with some rhinestones. So here you see I am using some hot glue and some rhinestones. Now going back to those acrylic gems, I am taking them and applying some to the inside of this tea light candle holder as a filler. And I'm going to take this mirror here. I'm just cleaning it off. You can pick that up from the Dollar Tree. We're going to use E6000 and hot glue to adhere the mirror, making our 3rd tier to this candle holder. Unfortunately, I pressed down too hard and I broke the bottom layer of the tea light candle holder, and I didn't have a replacement for it, so I had to substitute with this particular candle holder, which I also had picked up on another occasion at the Dollar Tree, so I'm glad I had it on hand. So we're going to apply the E6000 and the hot glue to it and apply it down, and then apply the 2nd and 3rd rows back to the candle holder. Now when I took off the bottom part of that candle holder, it made a ugly little marking on the bottom layer, and I didn't want that to show up in the reflection of the mirror. So we're going to take another mirror and glue it over that spot right there, and then we're going to place the pieces back together. Then I'm going to apply these acrylic gems that I picked up from Amazon.com. I'm going to break them down to the length that I need, and I'm going to add on this acrylic gem here that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I also added those same acrylic gems to the top layer of the mirror and glued them down with some hot glue and E6000. Then I'm going to take this link, as you see, and I'm just going to apply them around the sides of the mirror, and I'm going to finish it off with a little rhinestone. And on the second layer and the third layer, I also applied some of the gems that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, you guys. Unfortunately, I forgot to add that part in the clip, and I took these gold napkin rings that were thrifted, and I used them to make feet for the platter. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this creation and was inspired to create yourself one of these glamorous 3-tier serving platters that will look amazing at any event that you may be having. So if you would like to see more DIYs like this, then just let me know what you would like to see down in the comment section below. Alright, you guys, I absolutely love the way that this turned out, and I hope that you did too. If so, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, click that like button, that share button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.